Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Vibes Education. Powerful 500 General Knowledge 2021 for all competitive exams 01 Power 500. K1. Apart from India, Bharat in the world, Independence Day is celebrated on the 15th of August and in which country? Ans. South Korea, Bahrain and Congo. K2. 2. Which is the country which has not become the slave of anyone till date? Ans. Nepal. K3. How many countries are there in the world? Ans. 195. 195. K4. 4. Which is the largest mosque in the world? Ans. Al-Malibaya, Iraq. K5. In which country of the world there is no temple? Ans. Saudi Arabia. K6. Which is the largest ocean of the world? Ans. Pacific Ocean. K7. Which is the country with the most stringent laws in the world? Ans. Saudi Arabia. K8. 8. Which is the biggest wall of the world? Ans. Great Wall of China, Wall of China. K9. 9. Which country's president gets the highest salary in the world? Ans. President of America. K10. Which country does not have the name of that country on its postage stamp? Ans. Great Britain. Thank you so much for watching. Shining off.